Here's a tutorial of how ACE works. You get to select your language. There's 46 different languages that ACE can understand and speak back to you in. Got to turn up your volume because you're going to be listening to ACE.
Welcome to the foundational step in your journey to the skies. I am ACE, your artificial cognitive entity and your dedicated AI flight instructor. I can speak in many voices and teach in any language. Choose the one that sounds best to you. You can always change this later in your profile settings.
So I'm going to set up ACE's voice. We've got a variety of different options, and I kind of like this one.
Learning is a conversation. You can speak with ACE in any language to ask questions, and I will guide you with interactive quizzes.
You can chat with ACE and start talking about your flight training journey. When it says ACE is thinking, ACE is looking at your contents.
Welcome to the start of your flight training journey, Chris. It is a pleasure to have you in the left seat. Tap the MSG button to enter Socratic mode. ACE will analyze your weakest topics and ask you challenging questions to test your true understanding, instead of just giving answers.
The Socratic mode will basically teach through questioning.
Every pilot learns differently. Choose the instructor personality that motivates you best. You can change this anytime.
So there are a variety of different personalities, and if you look through the list here, you can see all the different personalities you can choose from, and there can be a random personality, so it'll be a different one from time to time. There's the Tailwind Tom, where it tells stories, and there's Birdie and Jester and Drift, and I'm going to pick Birdie.
Master the E6B flight computer directly in the app. Use it to calculate time, speed, distance, and fuel consumption, essential skills for your written exam.
The E6B is a flight computer that every private pilot student needs to learn how to use, and we have it inside the app so that you don't have to buy one separately.
For complex topics like aircraft systems and aerodynamics, use our interactive whiteboards. Explore detailed diagrams and visual explanations to deepen your understanding.
So ACE will draw whiteboard schemes and teach like a teacher in front of a whiteboard and describe the complex topics.
Explore real VFR sectional charts and airport data. Need to check a distance? Simply tap twice on the map to use the measurement tool.
So we have VFR sectional charts, which are current on this, and you can use those for reference.
Master the skies with our economy. Gold wings reward your mastery and let you buy upgrades. Avgas fuels your lessons and refills over time. Keep your daily streak alive to prove your dedication.
The more you use ACE, the more experience points you get, the higher you can go up in the leaderboard.
My ACE Brain Engine analyzes your performance to provide personalized lesson recommendations, ensuring you focus on the areas where you need the most improvement.
ACE Brain is a proprietary algorithm that we have created that will curate content for you so that it will be more specific to each individual learning how to fly.
The course features slides for nano learning, delving into aerodynamics, systems, meteorology, navigation, and FAA regulations.
Nano learning is a term we've coined for bite-sized pieces of learning, so you can go into any unit at any time and get a small little bite of information.
To earn your endorsement for the FAA knowledge test, you must complete 35 hours of instruction time, pass all unit quizzes, and pass 3 final exams with a score of 80% or higher. Success comes from understanding, not just memorizing. Use the provided FAA handbooks, take notes, and review concepts often to ensure you're ready for the skies.
We hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Thank you and have a great day.